Hello, I'm Sarah Cooney and I'm presenting toward co-creative tools for tactical urban revitalization. I'm a fourth-year PhD candidate at the USC Viterbi School of Engineering in the Department of Computer Science, participating in this year's Doctoral Consortium. I believe that all residents, no matter their level of privilege or knowledge of design, should have power to affect the changes in the physical design of their cities. My research, therefore, focuses on helping ordinary citizens envision improvements to their urban environments by building co-creative agents based on expert design knowledge to help them reimagine their urban surroundings. To that end, I have 4 ongoing projects, each contributing a thread toward this goal of creating a complete co-creative system. The first project is called Pattern Painter. Pattern Painter is designed to show that residents are able to use digital tools to design neighborhood spaces with little to no training and without expert facilitation. Pattern Painter is a 3D visualization tool built using the Unity game engine. Experiments showed that ordinary people were able to create highly social neighborhood spaces that communicated a variety of intended uses and including community gardens, small outdoor theaters, and farmers markets, showing that indeed digital tools could be a great way for residents to plan changes to their urban environments. Second is the Community Data Project. This project was used to explore the way in which ordinary people think and speak about their environments, as well as contrast this with expert designers. During the summer of 2020, we collected 40 image caption pairs via the website shown in the second column, asking ordinary people to share their urban surrounds and describe what could be improved. Through a qualitative analysis of these submissions and the expert interviews, we were able to extract 7 themes to inform the future design of co-creative agents for novice design of urban planning. For example, we found that ordinary people often use storytelling and personal reflection to speak about their environments. We felt that this could be used as a strategy by an agent to help elicit ideas from people who might have trouble speaking these ideas without some kind of prompting. Third is the 15-minute city game. This project is a mobile game designed to help people explore their immediate urban surroundings and reflect on what resources they have access to. The game is designed around the 15-minute city concept from urban planning, which proposes that all resources people need to thrive, for example, food, recreation, work, education, and healthcare, should be within 15 minutes via walking, biking, or public transit. The idea is to create more sustainable cities by lessening dependence on private cars. Our game builds on this concept by asking players to create missions surrounding these various resources. The benefits of the game are twofold. First, it helps to engage ordinary citizens in thinking more deeply about their urban environments and the resources in which they have access to. And second, it allows us to collect data about access to these important resources, such as food and healthcare, that may be of interest to government and nonprofit organizations. Finally, the Urban Style Transport Project explores the technical challenges for creating a co-creative design tool. This pipeline uses techniques from computer vision, such as image segmentation and object detection, as well as image editing algorithms to help residents modify photographs of their urban surroundings and then produce photorealistic renderings of the proposed designs. I expect to complete my dissertation by weaving these various threads together into a complete co-creative agent for novice urban planners. Thank you.